Hi everybody. I wanted to show you this old mower I'm going to try to bring back to life. This is essentially a barn find. I had the bag from another old snapper mower, this vintage, and it fits. And it hangs up here, so if you find one of these old ones, that's how it works. The flap that you empty the grass out of goes next to this little handle, and then those hooks go over, and that's what holds the flap in place so the grass doesn't just dump out. Anyway, these old mowers are cool. When I say barn find, you can see the straw. This thing probably hadn't run in years. It may not run, but that's part of the fun. I was looking at the rewinder, and I've never seen this before. This is at least on this model. It's not working, it's frozen, but anyway, that's how you stop the mower. If you want to stop it on the carburetor side, but it's also got the shut off up there, and it's got the engine brake and everything. But this is gonna have to come off, and the reason for that is, if you look closely, that is not even attached. So I'm gonna have to go deep in the supplies to find an old rewinder that'll fit this. Let me show you why I say it's not attached. See where it's broken, rusted off? See, that's not gonna work. The other interesting, by the way, this is from 1987. You can tell that by that code right there. See, 8712. That's December 1st, 1987. The other interesting thing about this mower is how you adjust the cut level. There's a giant spring, and then this pops in and out. So you pop it this way and adjust up and down, and then it'll pop into one of those holes. So I've got it set sort of medium high, and then the matching thing over there, and the back works the same way. You pull against that spring, and then it'll move up and down. Now, I'm not in the restoration business. What I'm in the business of is getting old mowers running, so that somebody that can't afford a $500 mower from Home Depot, or even a $300 mower, can afford a mower that they can cut their grass with. And it's not going to be maybe sell for $100, $150, maybe, if I'm lucky. And sometimes I take old mowers in trade because I enjoy working on the old ones so much. And you'll see what's going to have to come off of this thing is the cord is just in pieces. So when I replace that rewinder, I'll be putting a new cord on. That's the situation. And what I do with these old mowers, like I said, I'm not in the business of restoring them. What I'm going to do is put a little more modern gas tank on there and carburetor system that's going to operate off a primary like everybody's used to. I'm not worried about trying to restore this old thing the way it was. I'm going to get something that's easy to use for people. So I will make another video and keep you guys posted on it, but I did want to show you what I'm dealing with here. And amazingly enough, this does work, so the shut-off is going to work. These are cool old mowers. They're tough. It's like a tank. This deck will be here long after I'm gone. And other decks have rusted away. This one will still be around. You probably may have this engine on it, maybe another one. But anyway, stay tuned, and I will keep you posted on what happens with this mower.